Hey guys, it is Julie here with JT Wealth. In today's video, we're taking a look at a stock that analysts think has some great growth potential, and that is RingCentral. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back and thank you so much for being here. Today, we are discussing RingCentral. This is a company that has some fantastic analyst ratings with great price targets. So in today's video, we're going to take a closer look at those, as well as what it is RingCentral does. Just before we jump into that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoy today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and leave your thoughts in the comments down below. And head over to the TipRanks YouTube channel to find me every morning, Monday to Friday, with our pre-market morning update, giving you everything you need to know before the market opens. All right, now let's get into RingCentral. They trade under the ticker RNG and are currently trading at about $352 per share. Now, currently, they are down about 20% from previous highs on February 12th of about $443. So hopefully today's video will help provide some information to help you decide whether this dip in price makes a good entry point or not. But I just want to take a quick sidestep and show you guys how I came across the RingCentral stock and what tools I use, as I often have a lot of people inquiring about where I begin my research and how I come across companies like these. So one of my favorite tools when I'm looking to discover some new companies is TipRanks Stock Screener. That can be found right under their research tools on the far right here underneath Screener. You have both the Stock Screener and their new Penny Stock Screener. So in this particular search, I decided I wanted something with a large market cap between 10 billion to 200 billion, price target upsides over 20%, as well as the best analyst price target above that as well. I wanted a consensus of strong buy ratings and a smart score of 10 out of 10. When I put all of that in, I found about 15 different stocks. And third on the list here, you can see RNG. So as simple as that to stumble upon some new companies with great potential. And there are further metrics you can put in there as well, as far as sector or dividend yield as well, to help narrow down your search. Now, as I said, the RingCentral stock scores a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score. We're seeing very bullish news sentiment, bullish blogger opinions, an increase in hedge fund activity, and seeing some insiders buy shares. But what really caught my eye with the RingCentral stock was how many analyst buy ratings we have, as we have 20 buy ratings on the stock. No holds and no sells. So of course that makes the RNG stock come in as a strong buy. Also impressive is the average price target, which comes in at $488 for about a 38% potential upside over the next year. Furthermore, those analyst ratings come from analysts who are very well rated themselves, as we have a ton of 5-rated analysts on the board here, many of them reiterating their buy ratings 2 weeks ago, just after RingCentral's last earnings report. Now, the average, we see a lot between 36% to 41% potential upside, with our highest price target on there coming from Peter Levine at Evercore, with a $535 price target for an upside potential of nearly 52%. Really quickly as well, I want to acknowledge I know RingCentral is not the cheapest stock out there, but I just want to remind everyone that many brokers and trading platforms allow fractional shares now, so you can invest whatever you can afford into companies like these and still benefit from that potential upside. Okay, so a lot of great upside potential from the analysts there. So let's take a look at what RingCentral does and what has these analysts feeling so bullish. RingCentral is a provider of cloud-based communications and collaboration solutions for businesses. They offer one intuitive platform for voice, video meetings, team messaging and collaboration, and contact center. From click-to-dial functionality to one-click video conferencing, everyone readily accesses the same must-have digital tools through a single, easy-to-use platform that seamlessly works across office sites and mobile devices. Setup, deployment, and adoption is also easy, and IT can manage it all from anywhere. On top of this, you can integrate ready-to-use business apps and custom build your own via an open API platform. Their API platform enables communications integrations with today's most popular business apps, including Google, Microsoft, Salesforce, and ServiceNow. Your developers can even build custom apps and integrations to improve business productivity. And that integration with Salesforce was actually one of their most recent additions, as it was just on February 24th that RingCentral announced the release of the in-app calling for Salesforce. The new feature enables sales agents to make, transfer, and control phone calls directly from Salesforce, resulting in increased productivity and efficiency and empowering sales agents to drive improved customer engagement. RingCentral is trusted by businesses worldwide, representing millions of users. In the US, the potential market is valued at $25 billion. Now, Frost & Sullivan projects the cloud communications user base to grow almost 24% per year from now until 2023. In other recent news, RingCentral announced that they're opening innovation centers over in India. These centers will undertake research and development for RingCentral's suite of products. This is the latest stage of the company's global expansion, and it expects to hire top talent in India. The company also announced that Anil Goel has been appointed as Vice President of Engineering and India General Manager. Goel was most recently Global Chief Technology and Product Officer at Oyo Hotels and Homes, and previous to that was at Amazon as the Head of Engineering of Customer Returns and Reverse Logistics Business. RingCentral's most recent earnings report came out on February 16th. Their total revenue came in at $335 million for a 32% year-over-year growth. They saw their subscriptions revenue grow 34% year-over-year and ended up with an earnings per share of 29 cents, which was ahead of analyst expectations. Now, despite having better than expected results in this quarterly report, we have seen their stock slide about 20%, as I mentioned. And beyond just the market correction that we've seen take place in these last couple weeks, a lot of that has to do with the forward outlook for 2021, as many investors are expecting the coronavirus restrictions to lighten up and more people return back to work. For the full year of 2021, they're expecting subscription revenue to grow about 26 to 27% year over year, and their total revenue to grow about 25 to 26% year over year. So yes, lower than the 32 and 34% that we saw this previous year, but still some very solid double-digit growth. So with all of that being said, I would love to hear what you guys think about RingCentral. It seems that the market has cooled off on them a lot with this recent 20% drop, but analysts still have some great growth expectations for them over this next year. So could this drop look like a possible great entry point, or what do you guys think? Make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Please keep in mind that these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock and are just meant for information and entertainment purposes to help bring some new companies to your attention that you can then go and do further research on before making any investment decision. If you made it all the way to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel, and don't forget to head over to the TipRanks YouTube channel to catch my pre-market morning updates. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and cheers.